Deadline bukas, wala kang tulog, wala ka pang kain, wala kang social life. It's crunch time, guys. Crunch time means sobrang busy mo kasi nga malapit na yung isang deadline. So the pressure is on, but, finish strong. Siya na yata talaga, I'm head over heels for this guy. That idiom means you're super in love, as in tuliro levels, ganun. Hindi lang to basta crush or kilig, it's legit kilig to the bones. Use this idiom when love hits hard. Late ka na naman sa trabaho? Oh no, you're in hot water with the boss. It means you're in trouble, or gulo yan, at usually dahil yan sa mali mong ginawa. So if you wanna avoid hot water, set your alarm. Matutuloy ba yung lakad ng barkada this summer? Ewan, it's still up in the air. Ang ibig sabihin yan, hindi pa sure or undecided pa. So kapag wala pang final plans, use this idiom. Our trip is still up in the air. Depende sa vibe ng mga tao. Bukas lalabas na yung results ng exam and you keep your fingers crossed. This means na you're hoping for good luck or a positive outcome. So ngayon, wala ka na talagang magagawa kundi maghintay na lang at umasa. So sa mga may iniintay dyan na results or outcomes, just keep your fingers crossed. Hindi lang siya basta nag-report. Nag-master siya ng content niya, meron pa siyang research na in-incorporate, may mga visual aids pa siya, may mga surprise props, at may pakanta-kanta pa. Grabe, she really went the extra mile. This idiom means doing more than expected. So, effort kung effort, ganun. And it usually pays off. Na-reject ka sa job na gusto mo, pero later on, nakahanap ka ng better job. That's a blessing in disguise. It means something that seems bad at first, pero later on, it turns out to be a good thing. So, tama sila eh. Sometimes rejection is just redirection.